Hello and welcome to marketing91.com. In this video, we are going to cover the topic on disruptive advertising. Before we proceed any further, please do note that we publish 3 marketing videos daily on YouTube. So please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Now let's start with what is disruptive advertising. Disruptive advertisement refers to an effective ad which is unexpected. It's an ad that breaks past noise. Disruptive advertising is employed for one-time use. It allows a business to grab a person's attention for a while. It increases engagement on social media. Moving further, this is the age of the customer. Firms must always be competitive. They have to rethink old school marketing methods. They must rethink the rules. Disruption involves risk. The firm must rely on their intuitions. They must reject the norms. Disruptive advertising is about disobeying all the advertising rules that are in practice. The marketer should not be fine with the status quo. They must seek to disrupt the way it's done. Moving further, the benefits of disruptive advertising. First, change how your brand is seen. There are many advantages to disruptive marketing. One can change how a brand is seen. A firm might be seen as one of many selling boring products that aren't unique. Disruptive campaigns can make the firm look like it understands the consumer needs and can meet them. Next, reach out to customers. Disruptive advertising lets a firm interact with its customers at a more intimate level. This gives better results than reusing the same old content. It provides space for storytelling and encourages creativity. Next, prevent rip-offs. No rival will be able to replicate the effect once a disruption has been made. This is a huge benefit to this type of advertising. And finally, makes paid media not very necessary. The disruptive advertisement campaigns can be run without a massive budget. This is a major advantage. Disruptive campaigns and unconventional messaging are geared towards attracting media and increasing likes. It can be a written press coverage, retweet or blog post. The more consumers pass on the message, the less money is needed to be spent on traditional media campaign. Moving on, how to build a disruptive advertising campaign. It entails these 9 steps. First, there should be industry expertise. Second, a customer's needs should be well understood. Third, one has to subvert expectations. Fourth, using humor is a good idea. Fifth, unconventional combinations can be used. Sixth, the brand shouldn't hesitate to cross certain boundaries. Seventh, the campaign can make its responses emotional. 8. One has to think like a customer. And finally, uniqueness about the campaign is the key. Moving on to disruptive advertising examples. Starting with the first one, Burger King. The ad Burger King's Whopper with the moldy burger has experts divided. Burger King made a campaign to highlight its Whopper that it has no artificial preservatives. Burger King grabbed eyeballs when it released its new ad. It featured a Whopper turning moldy. The ad was launched by the chain owned by Restaurants Brand Limited. They said they would not use artificial preservatives, flavors and colors while making their most well-known products in the States. CNBC gauged the reactions of many experts. Many thought that showing real burger getting moldy was a great idea. Next, Game of Thrones. This campaign was launched in Great Britain. This was a truly epic campaign. A dragon skull the size of a bus showed up on Dorset's Jurassic Coast. This coast is well known for its dinosaur fossils. This was done as a tribute to the launch of Game of Thrones Season 3 on Blinkbox, a streaming platform. The skull was 9 foot tall and 40 feet long. It announced the launch of Game of Thrones' 3rd season. Next, another campaign by Game of Thrones was seen in New York Times. HBO released this excellent ad on the New York Times on a Monday. It showed a dragon's shadow over 2 pages of fake news stories, again for the launch of a new season. Next, brand Coca-Cola. This is a marketing gimmick by Coca-Cola in Dubai. Coca-Cola kept special phone booths in labor camp when foreign workers lived. A call from UAE to the workers' countries of origin cost $0.91 per minute. These workers mostly come from countries in the subcontinent in Asia. A bottle of Coke in Dubai fetches $0.54. Each cab allowed them to make a 3-minute call. The workers didn't have to spend $2.73. They could contact their families only for $0.54. On an average, a worker makes $6 a day. That is why the phone booths were very well received by workers. Next, a brilliant outdoor campaign by Jeep showing its off-roading capabilities. The next in line is a hoarding by BMW Mini showcasing its xenon lights. KitKat, Sprite, or indulging beach lovers for a quick shower. At the same time, Sprite getting the maximum attention due to this perfect innovative campaign. And the final one between Coca-Cola and Coca-Cola Light. As we can see in the picture, on the left are staircases with Coca-Cola's regular Coke being painted there and Coca-Cola Light on the escalator on the right, indicating that the ones who drinking Coca-Cola Light do save a lot in calories and there is no harm in taking the escalator instead of taking steps. Moving on, Why does disruptive advertising work? We live in times when things are ever changing. Services, products, and technology are always changing and growing quickly. Because of this, consumers have almost unlimited options. They are also burdened by a lot of information that they receive on a daily basis. Any marketer must differentiate the products or business from the crowd, as we saw in examples earlier. Disruptive advertising serves to meet this goal. It helps a firm reach out to a worldwide market efficiently. It helps a business to get noticed by consumers. That's it, folks. This brings an end to the topic on disruptive advertising. These are some of the sources and links referred to for the content in the video. If you have liked the video, do subscribe to our channel, where you'll witness 3 new videos daily. Additionally, if you want to view these videos in an organized manner, you can visit freecourses.net, where all our videos are arranged in the form of courses. Thank you and see you in the next video.